My life in the future. Would you like to travel to any country? Where will you go next vacation? How many children would you like to have? What will you do when you finish college? The first. I would like to know Greece, Mykonos. It is a magical and nice place. Where will you go next to vacations? I will go to Medellin on next vacation with my boyfriend and his family. How many children would you like to have? I have a daughter. Her name is Mariana. She is 5 years old, and I would not like to have more children. What will you do when you finish college? When I finish my university, I will start with the procedures to buy my apartment. Thank you.